Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to getting your HVAC system running smooth without wasting cash or energy. Okay, so when you're checking superheat or subcooling, you gotta take your temperature readings close to the service port. Why? Because if you don't, the temp can get all messed up by heat gain or loss along the line, making your numbers off. You want the reading right where the pressure is measured so everything matches up perfectly. One trick is to use a clamp-on thermometer right by the port. It's super simple and keeps things accurate. Also, make sure your sensors or thermometers are calibrated and not old junk, because that can screw with your results too. Keep your system running for a bit before taking readings so temps stabilize. If you're measuring superheat, check the suction line temp near the evaporator outlet. For subcooling, it's the liquid line near the condenser outlet. Doing this helps you avoid guessing and get the right charge on your system, saving headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling measurements is taking temperature readings too far from the service port, which causes inaccurate data and can lead to incorrect refrigerant charging. Fix that by always placing your thermometer as close as possible to the port. Another issue is rushing measurements before the system has stabilized. This leads to fluctuating temps that don't tell the real story. Just wait about 10 minutes after startup before testing. Lastly, folks often use faulty or uncalibrated thermometers, which means their whole reading is unreliable. Investing in a good, reliable thermometer and checking it regularly solves that problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors use it to find new jobs and grow their business without all the hassle of advertising everywhere.